Hello, today I'm going to make a video about pull-up bar that can fit in your doorway or in your hallway, depends which one you prefer, and I'm going to unpack it and see if it works. Now I'm over 100 kilograms, so exactly in pounds it's 236 pounds today, I think, maybe it's 37. So let's put it to a test. Again, it's evolveover pull-up bar. Now I saw the commercial on Facebook, but I did not order it through Facebook. Then I Google it and the official website, and then I order it from official website. It took for them 10 days to deliver, and this is the box. Here's a bar and instruction with a little tool. See if they have something in English or maybe pictures. Okay, I can't read this. I can read English and Russian, but I mean there's pictures, so I think I will figure it out. Okay, when you order it, you have two options: one for the door and one for the hallway. If you want to use it on the door, get the one for the door, okay? Because if you get the one for the hallway and planning to use it in the door, it's going to be too big, as you can see. It's not going to work. I ordered for the hallway because I'm tall and I just can't hang from my door. It's just not enough. I can literally be on my knees and reaching out my door. Okay, this was a little bit tricky, but I figured it out. So this should be on top. This will be facing down like this. You unscrew here, lose this one, let it go. And as soon as you start spinning, that's how you make it longer, so you can get it to appropriate size, and do the same on the other side. And extend it almost to the point where it's fit your hallway, and do it on both sides. Okay, it was not too easy, but I was able to figure it out, and the video they have on the website is really helpful how to set it up. So the moment of truth. Let's see if it can handle 237 pounds. I was afraid of the walls, but it worked. evolveover pull-up bar for hallways, approved. It can safely hold 240 pounds. So now I just need to get better at my pull-ups.